We're going to take the right arm out, to straighten the arm, fingers up, hand to fingers, pull the fingers back. So we keep the arm straight, draw the fingers back. That then will in turn straighten our wrist. So we're opening out with wrist strength. And then we point the fingers to the floor and we bring our hand towards the back of our hand. Just gently press in towards it, nothing too heavy there. And then we swap, we push the palm. So fingers up, hand to fingers, and pull them back towards us. So feel that strength come in on that wrist there. And then point the fingers towards the floor, gently take our hand to the back of our hand and press towards our hand. Holding on that. And stay with wrist, we bring these forward, we point the fingers upwards and point the fingers towards the floor. Now keep the two arms straight, don't let the arms move. Get the move from the wrist. Fingers up, fingers down. So use that wrist, so this will bring strength in. And then we close the fingers, we turn to the side and point them back in. Again, the arms are straight. Fingers in, using the wrist once more, again to build strength. And we roll both those. Round we go, then we go the opposite way. So we're going to continue on to wrists, and we're going to press the palms. Thumbs are pressed, keep the pressure on the palms. Thumbs to breastbone, fingers to tummy. Draw that thumb back, but keep the palms pressed. Keep those hands on the chest like this. Don't let them drift off. Thumbs on, palms pushed, fingers down. So keep the palms well pressed, thumb on the breastbone, fingers to tummy. Draw back up. Good. That's it. Well done. Get 2. And 1. Now we bring those out, sticking with wrist strength. We'll open and we see both palms. I can see the palms, bring the back of the hands around and bringing the thumbs in close. And I close palms again. So I can see my palms here. Bring the back of the hands around, bring the thumbs in close. And around we go again. This one's very, very good. So again, we draw those around, bringing them in. And we press the palms once more. Good. For 2 more. For 2. And we close in. And get the last one around. And back we go. So we keep the fingers all pressed. We turn and we twist. Now again, I'm using the wrist. And again, bringing strength to the hand. So to use the wrist again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We bring the arm at the side. Keep that straight, fingers to the floor. Take the hand to the fingers and draw the fingers back towards us. And we get that straight, we get strength here, strength in the wrist, and strength in that carpal tunnel area as well, which is really important. So we swap, palm forward, fingers down, hand to fingers, pull the fingers back towards us. So we're drawing it back like that, so bring that strength in here. And now we're moving on to thumbs next. So we get both of these to the side, stretch the fingers, bring the thumbs across, and then open back. Now what's really important in that is the thumbs. So work them over and then work them back. So work them across and open them back. Good. So work them over and then take them back. So we're bringing them across. That's good. So we're not stretching the fingers back, we're working those thumbs. So go across and back. Really good. So press across and open back to the side. So bring them across and back. Good. Again, 2 more. 2. And we open. And a 1. And that goes back. So we're going to get our hand like that. Just going to bring the chair in there first. So we're just going to bring that hand in front here. Going to straighten that. We're going to roll the thumb around. Just going to roll that around. Now keep the arm straight. Don't let the fingers move and the hand move. And then we'll go the opposite way. We roll that thumb back. Now I can bring the other one in. Now I can also do the 2 if I like. So rolling both thumbs. We're rolling around. And then roll the opposite way. Roll back. So again, if I have arthritis and thumbs are very prone, go the opposite way, I need to keep the movement. If I don't keep the movement, the arthritis will break down my bone strength and go the opposite way again. That's good. And then 1 more for the thumbs. Join these in and roll our thumbs. So we roll them around and then we roll the opposite way. So roll them back. So there's 3 good ones for our thumbs. We're moving on to fingers next. We'll bring these opposite like that. We get the first 2 then, which will be the index finger, and we're rolling those around. So roll them around, Keep moving those index away. Then we go the opposite way, we roll them back. So using the finger joints, press them in. Middle two are up next. We're rolling again. So rolling the middle two, rolling around. Keep moving those two. Good. We go the opposite way, we roll them back. Now we'll press those in. We're on to the ring two next and we slowly move those again. So every move there is strengthening the joints. Then we go the opposite way with those. Round we go, nice and slowly. And then we get the two small ones and bring those off with us. And then we roll them back. Oops, struggling there a bit. That's okay. So bring them back in again. We get the index two and open them wide. Now the other fingers are all pressed. Press them back in. The middle two are been taken away. And press it. Get the ring two. We open. And we close. We get the last two then. We open the two of those. And we press it. Now we're going to bring the two of these on the side. Going to get both index fingers onto our palm. Now the other fingers I'm going to try and keep straight as I can. Push those up and get the middle two next. The other fingers keep straight. Keep nice and straight. And bring them up again. Now we get the ring two down. Turning down to the palm. And press up. The last one I can do. Bring the small finger down. Now we'll go back again. We're going to bring our index fingers down. We're going to squeeze our thumbs on there and straighten the other ones. Now we're going to bring the middle one down. Squeeze the thumb and straighten the other fingers. We're going to bring the ring finger on. Squeeze the ring finger and stretch and straighten the other ones. And the two small ones then, we bring the thumbs in there and we go back. And we bring the two of those in together. We flatten our hands and stretch the fingers. We push the palms up. We bring the back of the hands around. We point them in here and we move out and back. So again, we open wide, palms and elbows are in, squeeze together. I flatten the hands, we stretch the fingers. Press the palms in again. We can see our palms, bring the back of the hands around, bring the thumbs close. And bring them in again for one more. So we open back, we push the palms and elbows, we squeeze. Then we flatten the hands and stretch the fingers. Push the palms back in. Now take the back of the hands around, bring them thumbs in close. Fingers in, and we just point them down the back. So that's just